That is how we do it. That's how we do it in this house. I've always said that.
Always fun?
Yeah.
You're gonna be at the thing, right?
Yes, I will be at the thing.
Better be there. Don't push me.
Sorry. Well, we're just two blonde guys hanging out. So, I'm more of a strawberry. Yeah, I'm blonde too. I'm blonde. We're both blonde.
Oh, boo.
Forgot some.
You say so.
Oh, 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 oh. Did you hear that?
Or what?
I swear to... That. Did you hear that?
I don't hear anything, buddy.
It's like the most faint... It's absolutely such a faint noise, but it's real.
Nah, good luck with that.
You're not hearing this. Oh my god, there it is again. What is that? What is happening? Hello? I know who you are. Hello, 911? There's like the most faint noise. Can't help me or won't help me. Ah! Who are you? What do you want from me?